Hi everyone. In this GIS tutorial, which is coming third in the GIS tutorial series, the first one we talked about doing basic styling and OpenStreetMap data. The second one we talked about downloading DEM topography. In this one we're going to talk a little bit about using parcel data, and specifically parcel data from Lynchburg, Virginia. Now, a lot of small cities have these open parcel data sets that you can find and download. So for this one, I simply Google searched GIS Lynchburg, Virginia, and I found their website. You'll find similar things. Their websites will look different, but typically the process will work something like this. So in this tutorial, we're going to look specifically at the value change in parcels over the last few years in Lynchburg. So it's basically going to give us an idea of where development is happening in Lynchburg and kind of at what scale. So that's it. We're gonna start a new file in QGIS, and we're gonna take a look at these variables and then generate this nice comparison map by the end.